Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making fluffy eggs. Eggs to separate white and yolk. Salt as per taste. Whisk egg with electrical beater or oil 1 tablespoon. Some benefits of eggs provide excellent quality of protein. Eggs improve level of good cholesterol. Eggs are great source of vitamin D. Egg yolk. Chopped tomatoes. Coriander. Eggs are filling and help for weight management. Best dietary source of choline, source of omega-3. Eggs contain antioxidants. They are beneficiary for eyes. Eggs helps boost nutrients. Eggs can support mental health. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, you will get notified. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.